how to change language on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. This tutorial I'll show you how you can change language on Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your account. That is, sign in into your Hawaii Airlines account. And how do you sign in? To the top right corner and then click on sign in. And after clicking on sign in, on the sign in page, you can just go ahead and enter in the username as well as the password and then click on sign in, or you can just click on join Hawaii Mouse. So if you don't have an account, okay, you click on join Hawaii Mouse. So after you've signed in, by the time you've signed in, your own page will be different from mine, okay, because you would become a member of Hawaii Airlines automatically, and then you have a membership number. And then once it is done, the next step is to move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see some icons such as home, my trips, status, book more. Just go ahead and click on the more option. After clicking on the more option, on this page, since you are now a member, you'll see the option my account. All right, so as you can see my account, click on it. Under the my account page, you will see profile. So once you click on profile, you will see details about you, such as your name and all of that. And then you also see language and country. So just go ahead and click on language, and then the list of languages that are available on the Hawaii Airlines website will be displayed. So you can just go ahead and select the one that you want, and then automatically the language will be changed. In case you cannot find language as an option there, just go ahead and select the country whose language you would like to speak. Just select it, and then the language will be displayed as well. So this is how it works. This is how you can change language on Hawaii Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good day.